Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to do yet another basic makeup look. So to start with, I'm going to prep my face and begin with hydrating my lips with a lip balm. Next, I'm going to apply some moisturizer, and today I'm going to mix my highlighter with the moisturizer. This will give us a glowy base to work with. Once the moisturizer is set, I'm going to apply primer. To cover my pigmented areas, I am going to use an orange color corrector. I am using a very tiny bit of this color corrector. Once I am done blending the color corrector, I am going to apply a layer of the foundation on my face. Here I am using the Lakme foundation. It is a bit darker to my skin tone, but we are going to make it work. Then I am going to use my damp beauty blender over it just to set out the foundation and remove the excess foundation is on it. Next, to highlight my face and to reduce the darkness of the foundation, I am using a lighter shade of the foundation. You can also use a lighter shade of the concealer that matches or is lighter to your foundation. I am using the Maybelline 330 foundation here. I am applying this under my eye area, some on the bridge of the nose, some on the cupid bow area and some on the side where we apply the contour. I am blending this in very nicely with the same foundation brush that I had used earlier. To set the concealer or the foundation that we just used, I am going to use my compact powder. You can see the difference between where we have applied the compact powder. For the eyebrows, I am going to use the spoolie and brush out the eyebrows. Once I am done brushing the eyebrows, I am going to outer line the eyebrows, filling in the sparse area of the eyebrows, then using the spoolie again to set it out. Then I am using the Maybelline eyeliner. I am going to take it out towards the outer area and creating a very basic wing eyeliner look. Doing the same on the other side, and this is the first time that both my eyeliners have turned out the same. I'm applying bronzer on my brow bone just to add a definition to it. For the blush, I am using a lip and cheek tint. This is by Earth Rhythm. I am just applying a tiny bit and blending it out nicely. Then I am mixing out a highlighter. This is in the shade Bronze from Swiss Beauty. I am going to blend this in with the blush and you can see the glow that it adds to your face. To complete the look, I am going to use the Swiss Beauty Matte Liquid Lipstick, and we are done with today's look. Going ahead and doing my hairs, and the look is done. If you liked the video, do give it a thumbs up and do leave your suggestions in the comment box below. We'll meet in next video. Bye.